Hey everyone, it's Marcus here, and I'm going to give you 5 great reasons to upgrade your Harley Davidson with Kenwood Excelon Motorsports products. Number 1, there's no flash required. So, what that means with no flash required is our system has been engineered to work with the factory sound system settings. If you don't know, most Harley Davidsons come with a 20 dB boost to help sound quality and make it sound better, but that's not going to work for our aftermarket speakers. So our system has a built-in 20 dB knockdown to correct the factory tuning. Number 2, our products are engineered for the factory electrical system. So the reason we build these amplifiers differently for a motorcycle than a car is because they use a completely different type of electrical system. Now a car is going to use an alternator and a battery, while on a motorcycle they're using a stator to charge that battery. And because of that, there's a limit to what that electrical system can handle. So we balance the engineering of our amplifiers to not over exceed what that system allows. So in the end, the customer is not going to have to worry about undue failure in a short period of time because they overloaded that system with a big, large current draw amplifier. Our system is designed to run with that system, allowing the rest of the electrical system enough power to operate without causing any undue stress on that stator. Number 3, rider focus placement. Another area that we really focused on was making sure that the best seat in the house is where the rider's sitting. So all of our speakers are engineered to delay and reach the rider's ears at the perfect point. They're even aimed towards the rider from the saddlebags as opposed to being facing straight up or facing straight out. This gives the rider the best sound imaging and the best experience rather than projecting sound outward for everybody else to hear. So this is, again, engineered for the rider's enjoyment. Number 4 reason, your system, your way. Now, one of the coolest things about the Exelon Motorsports series of products is that you can kind of build it a la carte. If you decide that you want to do the front stage and then later on come back and you want to add the 6x9 cut-ins to the rear kit, you can certainly do so. We allow you to basically build the system of your dreams by making all of the parts available a la carte in a stage kit. So you can purchase the front kit, the back kit, the tour pack kit, all separately, and essentially build the system as you go or add speakers as you feel needed. Number 5, unmatched value. And like the rest of Kenwood's products, we want to deliver to you unmatched reliability, performance, and at a value that most people would say is a great price for what you get. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 reasons to check out Kenwood Motorsports for your Harley Davidson application. To find out more, head over to kenwood.com/USA.